A question I see commonly asked in neighborhood Facebook groups is, should you tip your plumber? And the answer isn't really as easy as just yes or no, in my opinion. Should you feel obligated to tip your plumber for doing exactly what they had quoted and charged you to do? No, you should not feel obligated to do that. There should be no plumbers out there that are relying on tips to pay their bills or put food on the table. Back before I became self-employed, I used to receive a lot of tips. Like almost every job I was getting a tip, and that's because the people recognized how hard I worked for them, all the effort I put in to save them money and get their problem resolved in the most timely manner. And as a young guy coming up in the trades, those tips always were awesome. It made me be able to spend a little bit more money at Disneyland that weekend with the kids, or take my wife out to dinner, or whatever it was. But honestly, more than the tip, it was always just like the show of appreciation. It was like a pat on the back. I appreciated it so much. And that's why I tell people now, just leave me a review. Don't give me a tip. Leave me a review. That's better than